You ain't seen me, right? Secret Squirrel.
On there or not.
Hello folks, tech donation number 23. The abundance continues.
Oh.
We're joined with Marky, Retro Marky, got his own YouTube channel. So we'll send the, I'll put a link in the description below. He's into retro PCs and gaming and stuff like that. He's helping, he's volunteering with me now. We've had some more stuff come in from Honda Logistics. Another, I don't know, 12. I can't. It's so buried now that I can't actually see where it is. Somewhere down there, somewhere. It's I'm running out of space. I don't know what to do. Oh dear. Right, we've also had a nice donation from Beard Construction over at Faraday Road in Swindon. Thank you, Teresa. Very much appreciated. And Teresa has donated some HP laptops that Marky is stripping the drives out of. Right, so Mark is stripping out the drive from these HP, I think they're HP 640s or 650s. Very nice laptops. It says on the top right of the, well, I'll zoom on to that later. So the hard drive goes in thus.
In there?
They're very simple, very good design, these HPs. Everything is serviceable from the rear panel. It makes things so much easier. Bernie,
hello,
is working on a Honda Logistics laptop. These are HP, what are they, Bernie?
ProBook 6570Bs.
Okay.
Second gen i3.
Yeah, we've got a few of those. You saw that in Tech Donation number 22. Those are in progress, inspection.
This one's done. This one's ready to go.
That's our.
That's an EliteBook 8560p with, I can't remember what generation i7 is in there.
Yeah, second gen i7, 2012.
We've got 3 of those, I think, unless we've sold one on Saturday. I don't know.
Yes, I think we have 3 of those. Not only is my workshop crammed with stuff at the moment, the main scrap store warehouse is absolutely chock-a-block. I could do with a bit of space out here. Unfortunately, it's getting so rammed with stuff. We've Scrap Store's got to pick up 100 pallets of donated stuff, and the warehouse is just completely almost unmanageable now. So this is the furniture department that's being taken over by assorted end-of-line stuff from one of our very generous kind donors in the Swindon area. There it is. That is the furniture department of Scrap Store. Right, so the cage is empty now, for now. I'm just off to see the Secret Squirrel place. You ain't seen me, right? To get the arms for all them monitors that came in. We've got arms for them. A bit of calm has descended on the workshop today. I'm the only one in the workshop. Bernie's off today. Haven't got any other volunteers in. So I'm just taking it easy. Just getting through some other random boxes that arrived at the time but never got round to looking at it. So we'll just have a quick look to see what we had. What's this? Logitech Z200 speakers is what's in the box, on the box in the box, because quite often it isn't. Yeah, there we go. Speakers, they'll be alright. Get often asked for speakers. Right, that's that one. I've got some more volunteers coming in tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. Little do they know that Saturday is going to be scrapping day. Get through all those old PCs that came in from Honda with all that black tyre dust in it, and they're going to love doing that. Hopefully it's not raining because they need to be blasted first. Right, what's in the box? Ooh. Something new. Oh, new. What is it? It is, what is it? It's an N-port 5410 serial device server. No idea what that is. No idea. Oh, it's got a load of data ports on the back, look. Or is that the front? And some other things. I don't know what it is. That came in from Honda. Gary? What is it, Gary? Right. Don't know what it is. Next. It's a Logitech C920 webcam. Is what's on the box in the box. Got some tape over it. Well, it must be because there it is. Alright, that'll be okay. 1080p webcam. What's this? What's this? What is it? It's a Sumo. Steve knows what it is. It was on the production line. It was running some sort of thing, diagnostic vehicle sort of software. I got 4 of those. What am I going to do with those? I wonder if they're touchscreen. Might get one of those fired up. Not really hopeful. So that's that box. You ain't seen me, right? Secret Squirrel. Look at this. Down here, Graham, we've got all the monitor stands, the arms, for all those monitors that didn't have arms. So we've got a massive jigsaw puzzle to try and solve now. As you can see, we're in this big warehouse. Got some more monitors down over here that I've got to come back for. But I've got what I wanted to today. It's really, really heavy. We've had to break it down into 2 lots because the tail lift wasn't heavy, it wasn't strong enough. Because even though it's aluminium, it's really thick gauge aluminium. That's it. Let's get a move on. You ain't seen me, right? Got them. I've got the stands, look. They're a big Jenga puzzle. The lads on Saturday did this. Pulled all the box apart that we got back from the Secret Squirrel place and constructed the arms into this pile of stuff. But all is good because here we go. This is what they end up looking like. We've got one arm here. Can you see that? That's alright, isn't it? That's working. That's working alright. And we've got a double one in there, look. A double one. Oops. It doesn't quite fit on my double one. Look at this. Brilliant. How about that? That might have to be my video editing suite arm. So, that's it for another Tech Donation video. Hope you've enjoyed this lot. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like our page, check us out on Facebook. There it is right there, look. See you next time. Cheerio.
Jurassicom Productions.